Some unvaccinated Nauvoo-Colusa staff members are requesting exemptions from the weekly COVID-19 testing. They claim they have the right to do so under the Illinois Healthcare Rights and Conscience Act. For that reason, they say they are not defying the governor's executive order. Nauvoo-Colusa School Board President Joe Radel says the school board voted Monday night to grant some unvaccinated staff members requests to not get tested weekly.
Basically what we voted on was, and we were under counsel on this from our lawyer, that we are going to accept the Healthcare Right to Consent Act paperwork from teachers, and that will allow them not to test or have to be vaccinated.
Almost a dozen teachers asked for the exemptions. Those requests were submitted after Governor Pritzker's executive order. It requires all school staff to have at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine or get tested for COVID-19 on a weekly basis.
And what they brought forth was they feel like that's discrimination because not everyone has to be tested.
Illinois passed the Healthcare Rights and Conscience Act back in 1997. The law makes it, quote, unlawful to discriminate in relation thereto any other manner on account of the applicant's refusal to receive, obtain, accept, perform, counsel, suggest, recommend, refer, assist, or participate in any way in any forms of healthcare services contrary to his or her conscience. Nauvoo-Colusa Superintendent Young says these types of create difficult challenges for schools because they are not always defined well.
That's why this whole COVID thing's a real challenge, is because it's being challenged in court until courts really start making decisions. It's difficult for school districts.
KHQA asked to speak with the attorney who represents the Nauvoo-Colusa School District for this story. We were unsuccessful at reaching that attorney at the time of this broadcast. In studio, Kason Frericks, KHQA News.